Step 1. Access the Forgot Password page. Go to www.lightforth.org and sign in using your email address. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option located in the lower right corner. This will redirect you to the password recovery page. Step 2. Request a password reset. Enter your registered email address into the provided field and click the Reset Password button. Step 3. Check for reset notification. You'll receive a notification confirming that a reset link has been sent to your email. Step 4. Open the reset link, go to your email inbox, and look for a message from Lightforth. Click the blue Reset Password button within the email to proceed. Step 5. Set your new password. Create a new password, confirm it, and then click the Change Password button to finalize the process. Your password will now be updated and you can log in securely. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your password.